Feeling overwhelmed by who sees what in Basecamp? Let's cut through the confusion and make sure the right people are seeing the right to-do lists. Okay, let's jump right in first. Navigate to the project within Basecamp where you want to adjust the visibility of your to-do lists. You'll see a list of your to-do lists displayed there. Now, hover your mouse over the specific to-do list you want to control. You might see a lock icon display, which indicates its current visibility setting. Next, click on the three dots or the menu icon located to the right of the to-do lists titled. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. Look for the option that says, "Who can see this list?" and click on that. This will bring up a window that allows you to modify the visibility settings. Here, you'll typically have a few choices. Everyone, meaning clients and coworkers, can see the list. Only assignees and admins, restricting access to those directly involved, or only admins, keeping it entirely internal. Select the option that best suits your needs. If you want only your team to see it, choose only assignees and admins. Remember to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted the visibility of your to-do list. Double check your settings to ensure everything is as you intended and that only the right people have access. You can repeat these steps for each list as necessary.